On today's Warehouse Safety Tips, we're going to be covering week 1 of 4 for off-the-job safety, starting with hidden benefits of vehicle safety. So stay tuned.
Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, Warehouse Safety Tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast.
Vehicle accidents, particularly those occurring off the job, are a leading cause of injury and death for industrial workers. While workplace safety is often the focus, the impact of vehicle safety extends far beyond the factory floor. Let's explore how preventing auto accidents can significantly benefit workers and employers. Number 1, reduced injuries and fatalities. The most obvious benefit is the direct reduction in injuries and fatalities. Whether commuting or involved in off-site activities, fewer accidents means a healthier, safer workforce. Number 2, increased productivity. Auto accidents can lead to missed workdays due to injury or trauma. We can minimize absenteeism and maintain higher productivity levels by reducing these incidents. Number 3, lower healthcare costs. Fewer accidents translates to reduced medical expenses for both workers and employers. These lowered healthcare costs can lead to better resource allocation and lower insurance premiums. And last but not least, number 4, improved morale. A commitment to safety, including off-the-job vehicle safety, contributes to higher morale among workers. This enhanced job satisfaction can create a more positive workplace atmosphere. By addressing key risk factors such as distracted driving, speeding, impaired driving, and not using seat belts, we can create a safer environment for our industrial workers both on and off the job. The benefits extend way beyond individual safety, impacting productivity, cost, and overall workplace satisfaction. Thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we meet next time, have a great week and stay safe.
Before moving on, here's a word from one of our sponsors. If you've ever been to or worked in a warehouse, you know just how important safety is to both management and staff. It's almost impossible to go 10 steps without seeing safety tape, angles, signs, and/or safety products. It's these items that show us how to be safe and avoid danger in the workplace. And if you're looking for the best products to make this happen, look no further than Mighty Line. Mighty Line floor signs and floor markings offer the best industrial products out there. We're proud to have Mighty Line as the official floor sign and floor marking company for the Warehouse Safety Tips podcast and site. Go to mightylinetape.com/safety tips to request a sample pack of their incredible safety signs and floor markings. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. If you visit warehousesafetytips.com, you'll find the show notes for this episode and access to all of our blog posts, previous podcasts, advertiser information, and much more. Thank you for listening to Warehouse Safety Tips and have a safe day.